Let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a truly historic move, something that's literally rewiring the future of the military. We are looking at a massive 52,000 crore rupee defense revolution. This isn't just some big number on a spreadsheet, folks. This is the ultimate blueprint for transforming the armed forces into an absolute global powerhouse.
Okay, let's dive into this. 52,000 crore rupees. To put that into perspective, the Defense Acquisition Council, which is led by the defense minister, just greenlit this massive investment. And you know what the absolute best part is? The lion's share of this money is going straight to domestic companies. This is a colossal shot in the arm for self-reliance and the Make in India initiative.
So here's our quick roadmap for today's breakdown. First up, we'll look at the 52,000 crore mega deal itself. 2. Upgrading the ground forces. 3. Securing the skies. 4. Smart naval defenses. And finally, number 5, the massive economic and strategic impact of all this.
All right, starting with part 1, the 52,000 crore mega deal and investing in self-reliance.
You see, the DAC hasn't just approved buying a few new rifles here. Not at all. They've stamped a 52,000 crore rupee approval for literally cutting-edge tech across the board: land, air, sea, and even near space. It's a highly synchronized master plan, basically designed to multiply defense capabilities across all operational domains at the exact same time.
Moving right along to part 2, upgrading our ground forces to protect the vanguard.
So, picture the modern battlefield. Even our absolute pride and joy, the T-90 Bhushma tanks, they're facing some serious, unprecedented threats from these tiny, cheap drones and rockets. We've actually seen this exact scenario play out in recent conflicts like Ukraine, right? Where top-tier tanks just get decimated by these little threats. Well, the solution is the Active Protection System, or APS. Think of it like an invisible steel shield. It uses hyper-advanced sensors to detect and then mid-air destroy incoming anti-tank missiles right before they even make impact. Incredible, right? We're also completely phasing out that old, heavy, imported anti-tank gear. Enter the new MPAT GTM. That's the Man-Portable Anti-Tank Guided Missile. Because it's lightweight and, crucially, homegrown, a single soldier on the front line can literally throw this on their shoulder and obliterate enemy armor in seconds. It's a real game-changer for infantry. Okay, part 3, securing the skies, from the stratosphere all the way down to the surface. To really dominate that near-space domain, we're bringing in the HAPS, the High-Altitude Pseudo-Satellite. Look, actual satellites are expensive and in short supply, so the HAPS steps in as this unblinking eye in the stratosphere. It's basically a fixed-wing, solar-powered drone that can stay up there flying for weeks without needing a single drop of fuel. It just sits there, providing radar-invisible, real-time surveillance of the borders. And for those threats that get a bit closer to home, the MRSAM and VSHORADS systems are stepping up to the plate. These systems use cutting-edge multispectral sensing to track and instantly destroy incoming aircraft and drones. They are specifically designed to defeat those tricky radar-evading tactics and neutralize close-range threats before they even know what hit them. And this brilliantly illustrates a crucial point. Modern warfare isn't just about explosions and firepower anymore. It's heavily about controlling signals. Take the Akash Terrain system, for example. It acts as an electronic shield that jams drone-to-operator radio signals right out of the sky. And on the offensive side of things, we've got jet-based kamikaze drones. These give us highly cost-effective, precise strikes directly into enemy territory to completely cripple their electronic infrastructure. Let's shift gears to part 4, smart naval defenses and securing the waters. The Navy is getting 3 massive upgrades here. First up are multi-influence ground mines. These are basically smart mines that create an unbreachable, invisible wall against enemy submarines. Second, ship-borne U.S. drones. These don't even need a runway, and they give the fleet instant, real-time maritime surveillance anywhere in the world. And third, a brand new land-based testing facility to really put next-generation electric propulsion systems for future warships through their paces. Finally, we have part 5, the economic and strategic impact of building all of this right at home. This whole investment triggers an incredible domino effect. That 52,000 crore budget? It translates directly into massive orders for domestic players. We're talking DRDO, Bell, BDL, MSMEs, and a ton of local startups. By relying way less on foreign powers, we are directly creating hundreds of thousands of high-tech jobs for our youth, and building an entire ecosystem that is totally primed for massive export potential.
So, what does this all mean for us? The ultimate question remains, will this historic 52,000 crore investment be the catalyst that finally transitions the nation from being a massive defense importer into a dominant global defense exporter? The foundation has clearly been laid, and you can bet the rest of the world is watching closely.